Good morning. Solo hunt once again today. Set up on a piece of moving water and got a decent sized spread. A dozen floaters and a dozen and a half full bodies set out. Supposed to have a really good wind. It's gonna be almost right at my back. Maybe up to 35, 40 is what they're saying. And the geese are already moving. There's just a tick of wind right now, so I'm anticipating they're going out to feed before it really gets to going. And once it does get to going, I think that's when I can start decoying some. I might get one or two here early, but I think once the wind really gets going, I'll have a lot better shot. But plenty of birds moving. We'll see what happens. Look at all these geese. Single, there must be some right down there. Single just dumped in. Lots of geese. Pair maybe. Man, you can't ask for a much better view than that. Snow geese. Let's see. That blue. There. There's all the geese. Holy smokes. I don't think I'm gonna talk them in. No quills. Not that I saw anyways, but let them come back. Lots of geese around now. No, eagle got him up. That's what bumped him. Hey, hey. There we go. That's an adult even. That's awesome. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous snow goose. Man, that's cool. On the board. Mid-morning, and here comes the wind. That's what I've been waiting on. So hopefully you can get some stirred up and caught in it, looking to land.
I think I could have killed one of them.
Yeah, little geese. She's not fully wanting to commit. Here, we got a low pair.
Single anyway.
I think this other one's coming around with these.
He's pretty good.
You want him, Jim?
Go ahead, you shoot him. Good shot.
go, just needed the wind.
He was pretty tight.
Yeah, that worked good.
I did.
Lost another full body.
You lost one?
Well, they're all falling over.
Oh.
Might have to go stomp them in the sand later.
Water a little bit.
Here's a single. He's coming.
He's good.
Take him, Jim. There.
How couldn't you get in front of him?
Landed him on the island too.
Oh, yeah, that's what I wanted to.
All right. There. Well, sitting at 2 total now. Had to go move the full bodies. These are all blowing over, so I just stuck the stakes in the sand here. Hopefully that holds. But had to brace up the panel blind too. The wind was trying to take that.
Oh,
they're coming.
We got them. They're close. Take the back one.
Okay. Nice. Got them both. Can't beat that.
Good plan, huh?
Yeah, and landed them on the little shallow water so they don't float.
You know where mine land. I land them on land.
That's the smart way to do it. They came in pretty. That was awesome.
They decoyed right below us, Matt.
Oh yeah.
Right below us. Big old honkers.
Oh yeah.
We got big goose right out front here. Clear to the back.
Oh yeah. Here's one.
Holy man, he's big too.
Sea bombing.
Kind of a tail.
Might get a couple here. This one's gonna. You want to shoot this one, Jim?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, I think there's gonna be more coming. Let them land and see if we get.
These 2 big ones in the back here. There's some bigger geese right to the back.
Okay, we got 2 in the decoys.
Which ones do you want to shoot? These.
Well, if you want to shoot these, I'll shoot the ones out of the decoys. Or I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
damn! You didn't believe I missed that 3 times. Did you get one?
I got one. I tried to get the one out of the decoys.
I can't believe it.
Dang it.
Here he comes back. You better run after that one.
Yeah, shoot.
That was not good shooting back.
Nope.
In fact, it was terrible.
Yeah, that's a little one there. Littler one.
Yeah. That's the one you just got?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Full of corn.
Not a blue eye in the bunch, is there?
Nope.
You really shoot them out of a flock.
Yeah, usually they come in by themselves. Couple medium-sized geese and littler goose. Yep. Midday now, and it is getting toasty. Geese really died off the last half hour or so, and hoping there'll be another spurt of activity. Tweaked up the spread. I had to move these full bodies down here and shove the stakes in the sand so they'd stick up with this wind. And it's worked. We've decoyed, actually we just decoyed a pretty nice group. Did not shoot the best, but oh well, hopefully get a little bit of redemption. Jim had to take off, so just me for the afternoon, but still hopeful I can get 2 more in here. Oh, we got a pair. Got a pair coming. Just gonna let them all in. Oh, they're whiffling. There. Done. I'll take that. Oh man, that was pretty. Both little geese, pair of them. I think there was like 3 more coming behind them, but that's a really little guy. They decoyed in beautifully. That was a great way to end it. What a fun day. And that is it for the day. Ended with a solo Canada goose limit with a bonus snow goose. Jim got 2 Canada geese as well. Unfortunately had to leave a little early, but had a fun morning watching some decoying geese. A lot of them decoyed really well and got redemption for my miss on that bigger flock. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations, Pheasants Forever, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.